Hi, congratulations on the purchase of your XT15HR. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up the caravan for the most basic camping. First thing we do when setting up the XT15HR, when we're uncoupling, the first thing we do is apply the handbrake. Also, if you're not on level ground, if there's a bit of a slope, you need to chock the wheels as well so the caravan can't roll in either direction. Once you've done all that, you can use the jockey wheel to get the forward to back level correct. There's apps on your phone you can use, or you can use a spirit level. It's that easy. Now that we've got our van level in a front to back situation, we can put our stabiliser legs down. There's 4 stabiliser legs, 1 in each corner, and they all need to be down when you're using the van. What you'll need is this brace. It's got a socket at one end and it's a speed brace configuration. To put your stabiliser leg down, you grab the blue handle, take a little bit of weight off the end, and put your stabiliser leg down, preferably in a vertical situation. If you can avoid putting it at an angle, great, but if the ground won't let you put it straight down, then you can put it at an angle. Just don't overextend them. Put the brace on the hex drive. Wind it down till it's firm. Do that for all 4. Now we're ready to move on to the rest of the van. Before we can jump in the van and turn the electrics and whatnot on, we need to put the step down. Now the step has a bar just behind the tread here, which you need to push down and pull the step forward. Pull it all the way until it locks into place like that and it's ready to go. Assuming all your gas is set up, when you want to use the Truma hot water system, the first step is to deal with this cover and the flue here. First, open up this cover. This is an additional cover put on by MDC to keep dust, etc. away from the flue. Put that down like so. Now we need to remove the Truma factory cover as well. The way we do this, put our thumbs just down here and pull on the tab at the top and that'll come off. Now that's clear, ready for us to switch it on inside at the control switch. Setting up the electric awning is very easy. First, you need to turn on the power at the main isolation switch inside the caravan. When you set it up, you have 2 options. You can extend the awning and place the legs down onto the ground and peg the feet into the ground so the awning can't lift. Or you can run the legs back to the side of the caravan, utilising the 2 clips at either end of the caravan to secure it. First off, we switch it on inside. The awning switch is located just here inside the door on the right hand side. It's marked open and close. To put it out, simply switch it to open. Once it's switched on, the awning will extend to its full width and automatically cut out. As it does so, once the front of the awning comes down to a height in which you can reach it, you can pull the legs out from behind the fascia and either run them down to the ground or back to the white clips. In this case, we're going to run them back to the white clips. Now it's important when you do this, start at the hinge end and pull the leg out so the hinge is extended out. Pull the other end of the leg out from its retainer clip and use this cam lock to open it up and extend it. Adjust it to the height you want. Again, always be mindful of the hinge at the end, that it comes out evenly, doesn't twist or go off its axial line. So to place these little feet in the side, we put the bottom in there, then we push the white cap down. That keeps the foot captive. So we extend the leg, get the awning up level and lock in the cam lock and it's ready to go. Now the legs are up off the ground, out of the way, can't trip over them. Before using any gas appliances or even turning your gas onto your caravan, what you need to do is remove this door vent cover. It's held on with press studs and it's purely there to help keep dust out while you're traveling. This cover does need to be removed before you use any gas appliance because it allows ventilation through to the caravan. And being at the lowest point in the caravan, if there's any gas leaks, the gas will come to this point and vent out. So there you go, folks. It's that easy to set up your XT15HR. Doesn't take long and you're ready to relax. For more information and some great tips to help you with your camping experience, head across to our YouTube channel and check out the Masterclass series.